Alright, so me and my unprofessionalism stream is not yet updated. We got Tornado playing the lowest character in the game, and we got David playing Falco. This is loses semis. David.
Why is he not playing Ryu?
He wants to lose.
Was that a 0 to death?
I don't know.
I think it was. I question why he's not playing Ryu.
Could be the matchup.
Ryu wins versus Falco.
Could be Tornado being a stupid head. Rather play a dumb character that's not hype at all.
I don't know, when you get that ding dong super early for let's go.
I hull it inside every time I see it.
David with the shield pressure. Let's go Falco back air.
Let's go David. Force this man off this DK.
Oh.
That's not how you do it.
He just up aired twice. That's all he did. Oh, nice pivot.
Oi.
Why? Tornado. Okay.
The back is.
Side B on
Damage. And if he gets a grab, it's over. So David needs to.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
David just
Oh,
keeps
that's
air
a
dodging
punch.
right into it. That's not a dead.
I think Tornado actually has too much rage for Ding Dong to kill. Oh, he goes for it, but he goes for it too soon. Does get a back right there though. And that's gonna be game one, David's favor.
Wait a second. Oh, this one is plugged in.
Tornado disgusted at my headset and taking it off.
Joby, this isn't quality. Alright.
It's better quality than your DK.
Ooh, DK's better than Shulk.
Are we main shaming now?
If you main DK, yes. Go find a character that's actually worth something. Yeah, Shulk's cool.
Shulk's bad though.
Hey, at least I don't grab you and then get like free up air to kill.
That's a lot of characters in this game actually.
Yeah, I know.
Shulk has the purge.
But it's not guaranteed.
It's a 50-50.
It's not guaranteed.
Dolby, shut up.
Guaranteed is a lot worse than a 50-50. Oh, the reads.
Why are you here? Okay.
Yo, David going in. Down throw, back air. Another back air.
Hit him with that punch. David keeps air dodging into that up there. Hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, dude. Just keep doing it, Tornado. David gonna get that neck. Ooh, almost hit him with that forward smash. That's it. No, it's not. David with that crispy DI. Don't air dodge. Okay. I thought he was gonna do it.
He's gonna call out the Phantasm onto the stage. He's gonna get a back air, and that's gonna be David's first stock of the set. Oh my god. I didn't see that coming.
Even already. DK shenanigans.
Yeah, pretty much.
Grab. Never mind. Back
Power shield back air. Gonna get a laser in.
No. Okay. I thought David was about to do it to him. I think Tornado's at too high a rage for this to work. He's gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Double back air. David rolling in. Tornado's not gonna punish, so. Tornado might as well go for up tilt at this point.
He sidestepped the grab. Goes for the up air, but Tornado is too far away.
Ooh.
He's gonna find an up air right there.
Ledge drop up there.
Tornado.
Why are you not playing Ryu?
No, he knows my read too good. I now have a bad.
It's like, yay, now I have to see another match of DK.
Let's go, DK.
At least half of this is in good fun chat, I promise. At least half.
FD.
Tornado banning FD. We're gonna go to battlefield. Jump into him with a forward air. I mean, it worked. Gonna miss that punish though. Up air to up smash. Didn't know that worked. Tornado
getting hype.
off stage. Charge up that punch. Ooh! David at that 69 though. Super save reset, never mind. Losing Fox is a curse.
Alright, and Tornado now up a stock. DK with Rage. David looks like he's in a really scary spot now. Gonna have to close the stock out, or else Ding Dong could be on the table. Oh, he's gonna forward a spike.
Tornado trying to read him jumping in with that donkey punch. David's rolling him a lot. Tornado's not doing anything about it. Ooh! Disrespect him.
That's gonna be it. Okay, so I got a question. So Ding Dong is true, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't play. Oh, dang, that's it. Okay, so if it's true, why would you spam air dodge? Why not just like spam jump with something? Because if they go for it and it misses, it's not gonna miss because you air dodged, and he air dodges and then just gets hit with another up air.
Yeah.
So I just feel like, I don't know, jump out of that.